Okay, so we're recording, and this is interesting all by itself. Now, today what we're going to be doing is working with the voice recognition that we've got in the system now. And for that, we're going to, I'm starting here with the making the visit or encounter. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and open up the SOAP note. It's only working on the SOAP note right now. And however, we planned on extending this further into the system. But this is just training on how this feature functions. As you can see, we have this revised with AI. We will not be going over that today. We'll go over that at another time, in another video. And in order to start the voice recording, we're going to click the microphone button. And as you can see, if you hover over it, it says click to start voice, which looks obvious because it has a microphone, start voice. And this only works in Chrome. It doesn't work in Firefox. It doesn't work in Brave. I haven't tested Internet Explorer because I can't get it on this particular machine since I'm using Ubuntu now. We'll probably get somebody else to test it, but for right now, the only browser that I know this works in is Chrome. All right, so when I go ahead and click the start microphone, now the system is recording. And if you notice the 3-second thing that popped up over here, this is your silence threshold. So if you stop talking, you have 3 seconds to start talking again. And that way you can stop to think, but also you can control how long it stops for by changing the number here. Okay, so if your voice cadence or if you need to pause for longer to actually think about what you're saying, I wanted to show you the countdown again. Okay, now you notice it picked up counting again right after I had stopped talking long enough for it to post what I was saying. And it'll continue to record while you're talking and during these pauses. But if you want to stop the recording, wait till after you have said your last sentence. Then click the pause button. Now it's no longer recording and it's not going to post anything else to the screen. So as you can see, it has posted everything that I said to the screen. And again, you can change your threshold for your cadence and for your application to what you want. Now, if of course I go to the next one, the same thing will happen again. And I can keep this up for each of my blocks. But this is how it works. Okay, so you use the microphone to start it. And now it's going to start recording what I say. And then, of course, it'll post it to the screen as I stop, but it's continuous recording until I press the pause button. When I press the pause button, then it'll stop recording altogether, and then I can read or edit whatever I just said. But also make sure that you wait till after it posts to the screen, because if you don't, you're going to lose it until you hit record again. And then it'll bring it all back to the screen because it's keeping it in a buffer by way. So you're not going to lose it. It's just not going to show on screen. All right, so that's how you operate this. And hopefully this is simple enough. And this is what we've come up with or developed thus far, which gives you some level of control. And also it makes it more accurate by being able to do it this way. And you notice, I noticed on the screen, I said cuz, and that's what it typed, cuz. I didn't say because, but it typed cuz, and it typed it correctly too, in the vernacular that it's supposed to be typing in. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. This has been fun. See you on the next one. Now I gotta figure out how to stop the recording. I'm using a whole new recorder. Bye. Talk to you later.